Xiaomi recently launched the Redmi 7 in China, and in today's video, let's unbox that one and take a quick look. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and let's get this unboxing started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So here's the box the Redmi 7 comes in. We've got some highlights to the back. Opening up the box, we've got yet another box. This one houses a SIM ejector tool, the user guide, and a soft case. We then have the Redmi 7 itself. Let's peel the plastic off the back and the stickers, turn it around and remove the plastic off the front. My first feeling is, damn, this feels plasticky. Anyway, let's get back to it in a bit. We then have a 10-watt travel adapter and a micro USB cable. Now, coming back to the Redmi 7, the more time I spent with it, the more I realized my initial feeling of the phone appearing plasticky and cheap kind of had more to do with the box contents, how it was packaged, how good the Redmi Note 7 felt, and my own bias from how the older Redmis like the Redmi 4, they felt much better. The Redmi 7 as a standalone is decent enough. The back is plastic, but it's no worse than anything else in this segment. In fact, it is one of the better implementations. It curves to the sides and makes for an ergonomic grip. Now the Redmi 7 has gotten thicker and bigger overall, and that is with good reason. The battery capacity is back to a healthy 4000 mAh, which is good news. The display size is also larger. It is 6.26 inches, but that's Note size, right? So what's the difference? Well, the resolution. This is an HD Plus panel. Well, Ash, isn't the Redmi supposed to be smaller and the Redmi Note supposed to be larger? Well, not this generation, I guess. The Redmi Note 7 is actually smaller in some ways, given it's gotten smaller bezels despite a similar size display. Anyway, this panel is IPS LCD. It looks nice. We get Gorilla Glass 5 covering it. The phone has a P2Y nano coating to protect it from the occasional splash of water. So let's quickly take a look around, for the placements. The headphone jack, the secondary noise cancelling microphone, the IR blaster, they are present up top. Happy to see Redmi preserve both the jack and the IR blaster here. We get a tray to the left, and this can support 2 SIMs and a micro SD card. The power and volume keys are present to the right. And finally, to the bottom, we have the primary microphone, speaker, and a micro USB port. Kinda wished Redmi upped this to Type-C too, but it is what it is. Now to the back, it has a dual camera setup with a single LED flash and a fingerprint scanner. Now we've seen loads of rear fingerprint scanners by this point, so it is no surprise that this one performs swimmingly well. Super quick to the touch. Under the hood, we've got a Snapdragon 632 chip. While this might not sound impressive, it is the strongest chip ever on a Redmi phone. Not a Redmi Note, but a regular Redmi. A big step up from the Helio P22 on the last one, or even the Snapdragon 450 on the one before. As always, it's available in an array of RAM storage configurations, 216, 332 and 464. What I'm really thankful here is for that battery capacity. After a couple of generations, it's finally reverted to 4000 mAh. That coupled with MIUI should make the Redmi 7 a killer battery-wise. Talking about MIUI, we've got MIUI 10 on top of Android 9 Pie here. It is the same MIUI 10 as we've seen on the Redmi Note 7 and the 7 Pro. Not much has changed. Things are a little slower, but still fast enough to be good for day-to-day use. As you can see, gestures are present and accounted for. Face unlock is there too, and it is fast AF. For a full list of what you get with MIUI 10, do check out this video. Let's now round things off here with the optics. We get a 12 megapixel f2.2 camera to the back along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. This seems to be the same set of cameras from the Indian Redmi Note 7. So it is not great, but it is not bad either. It comes with AI scene recognition, and as you can see from these images, the performance seems to be decent. On the selfie front, you get a 8 megapixel sensor here, and here are more samples shot with it. How do you guys think it turned out? Let me know in the comments below. The Redmi 7 as always starts at 699 yuan in China. Personally, I feel the Redmi line peaked with the Redmi 4 Prime. That was my favorite Redmi and remains so till date. The Redmi 7 is not going to replace that. It is not better value than that one, but it is a close second. Redmi has offered enough here to make this an interesting proposition. Much better than that 3000 mAh MediaTek chip toting mess that was the Redmi 6. Anyway, do you guys want to see a review of this Redmi 7? Would you be interested in seeing this in India? Do you think it should come in at 7,000 rupees? What do you feel? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And hey, have you checked out either of these two videos or our other channel, Full Tech Journey or FTJ by C4eTech? If not, do so now. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.